This is a short instructional video showing you how to change the belts, the drive belts, on the GDM range of variable speed drills. First thing we need to do is to remove the screw on the gearbox cover, like so. You can then lift the cover up. Obviously the machine needs to be turned off when you're doing this. And here you can see the drive pulleys and the belts. So when these become worn, they need to be replaced, similar to a car fan belt. And to do this, you need to firstly undo, slacken off the gear change lever, then push it to the far right. And as you can see, it's slackened the top belt off, so that can now be removed, and then go the opposite way for the bottom belt. And it's as simple as that. Refitting is the reversal. Back on with the first one, push over to the far right, on with the top one, and now all you need to do now is to turn the pulleys by hand, and they'll retension themselves to take up the slack. Back on with the cover, put the screw back in, on with the power, select the speed that you require, and you're ready to start drilling. And that completes our video.